Hi everyone. In this video, I am going to show you how we can use offset command in AutoCAD. From home, you can find the symbol which is offset. Also, you just insert Ctrl and 9, you get command window. From here, you can write offset. Click it. From here, determine the distance, for example, 2 meters. Enter. Select the line you want to offset. Okay, if you put the cursor above the line directly, it gives you another line which is apart from the origin line by 2 meters. Or if you bring the cursor to the below of the line, it gives you another line with 2 meters. Okay, for this one also, just select it. If you put the cursor outside of the circle, it gives you another circle greater than the original circle. If you put the cursor inside the circle, it gives you a smaller circle by the distance we determine it. Just click it. That's all. I hope it can be helpful. Have a nice time.